Hello friends, welcome to AARU'S. Today we will make pasta arrabbiata, which is one of the most famous pasta recipe worldwide. First, we will prepare the sauce. For that, heat a pan. To that, add some oil and finely chopped garlic. The onion change its color to light brown. We will add tomato ketchup or tomato puree, which is ready made, and a bowl full of fresh tomato puree. Once the sauce become little thick, we will add some water, as we are going to prepare the pasta right now, so we will not cook the sauce very much. Add salt as required. If you want to store the sauce, in that case you have to cook it for a little longer time to increase the shelf life. Mix it properly. Once it's done, remove it in a nice bowl. It's looking so nice and delicious. Top it up with some more cheese. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Bye bye till we meet again.